Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how we can disable payment gateways for WooCommerce. Uh, in your WordPress website, there are many stores created with WooCommerce which do not require any payment at all, or there are free products, or payment gate part is not handled by the WooCommerce. User can place order only, and the payment is handled directly or differently. There are many stores, so those stores get rid of want to get rid of the payment gateways. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can do this. It is really simple in WooCommerce, and let's see how we can do it. But before that, if you like my videos, then please click like button, subscribe my channel, and click notify icon in YouTube, so that you get notified every time I post my video. So I have already done some setup in my local host to show you how we can do this. So here I'm adding one product. You can see it. Going to cart, and you can see here a button, proceed to checkout. I have already added the product in cart. Now you can see I have to click continue to payment. Instead of that, I want to place order here directly after filling all these details. So let's see how we can do this. So to add that particular code, you need to go to functions.php of your theme or child theme. Ideally you should create either plugin or a child theme to place such code. So but I'm not going to spend that time here, and going to add directly in main themes functions.php file. So here is my theme. I'm using a storefront, and you can see here its path, and here is my functions.php file. Okay, I'm going to bottom at the end of this file, and here is our code. So disable all the payment gateways on checkout page and replace the play button to pay order. What you need to do is add just a single line of code of the filter. Add filter WooCommerce cards needs payment, return false. This filter will check whether this card need any payment or not. If not, then returning false will change the checkout page button, and we can easily add place order instead of going to payment gateway page. Okay, let's see how this code affect in front end. You can see we have continue payment here. I'm just reloading the page, and you can see now I can place order directly. There is no payment gateway step here, so all the payment gateways are disabled. Thank you for watching. Once again, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and see you in another video. Bye.